Welcome to Case Study Series in Information Technology by skilled MBA Drishti. Technologies is at the forefront of transforming manufacturing by integrating artificial intelligence and vision analytics. Their innovative approach enhances production efficiency and quality control, leveraging real-time data to optimize processes. This case study delves into their groundbreaking methods and the impact on the industry, setting new standards for smart manufacturing. Drishti Technologies was founded by Dr. Prasad Akella, a former leader at General Motors' robotics team, bringing extensive manufacturing expertise. Dr. Krishnendu Chaudhary, an artificial intelligence and computer vision specialist, contributes deep technical knowledge. Dr. Ashish Gupta, a serial entrepreneur, shaped Drishti's business strategy and market approach, ensuring a robust foundation for innovation in manufacturing. Manufacturing faces visibility challenges with limited oversight, relying on periodic audits that offer only snapshots of production. Manual time studies are labor-intensive, prone to human error, and influenced by the Hawthorne effect. Additionally, low data granularity means aggregate metrics often overlook crucial details in manual assembly operations. Drishti's solution employs strategically placed cameras to capture continuous footage of assembly processes. Proprietary AI algorithms analyze worker movements and process execution, providing real-time metrics. This delivers actionable feedback to supervisors and workers, enhancing oversight and reducing errors in manufacturing operations. Factories experience a 37% improvement in cycle time, enhancing production speed through optimized processes. Real-time quality monitoring leads to a 42% reduction in defects, minimizing manufacturing errors. Additionally, video-based training boosts training efficiency by 25%, enabling new operators to achieve full productivity more swiftly. Navigating strategic business challenges involves choosing between software as a service and project-based deployment models to meet diverse client needs. Pricing strategies must balance process improvement and compliance benefits. Industry focus requires deciding between specialization in automotive, electronics, or general manufacturing. Scaling globally demands maintaining quality while expanding service to international manufacturing clients. Traditional manufacturing methods rely on periodic manual observations, limited sample sizes, and delayed feedback, often influenced by human bias. Drishti offers a competitive edge with continuous video documentation, ensuring 100% process coverage. Real-time analytics provide objective, data-driven insights, enhancing quality checks and feedback loops, crucial for maintaining high standards in manufacturing technology. Drishti enhances lean manufacturing by providing data that fuels Kaizen events with unmatched process visibility. Video analytics standardize work by developing and validating optimal procedures. Artificial intelligence detection supports Jidoka and Andon by flagging quality issues early, preventing defects from moving downstream. A Tier 1 automotive supplier experienced significant enhancements within 90 days of implementing Drishti. The system provided real-time insights, optimizing production processes and reducing defects. This rapid transformation underscores Drishti's impact on operational efficiency and quality control in the automotive industry. Drishti enhances human capabilities, focusing on augmentation, not replacement. Operators receive personalized feedback, empowering them to review and improve their performance. The system captures and preserves institutional knowledge, ensuring continuity as experienced workers retire. Addressing privacy and ethical concerns, Drishti emphasizes process over personal surveillance, ensuring transparent data usage. Worker inclusion is prioritized in implementation, fostering cultural acceptance and easing union negotiations. Compliance with regional regulations is maintained to protect personal data and respect diverse cultural norms. Drishti's global expansion strategy unfolds in 4 phases. Starting with the United States automotive and electronics sectors, moving to European premium manufacturing, then targeting Asian high-volume production, and finally, a global cross-industry expansion. The strategy emphasizes strong regional partnerships with core development anchored in India. Deep tech startups can penetrate traditional industries by implementing ROI-focused pilot programs. Change management is crucial for introducing disruptive technologies into established manufacturing cultures. Ethical innovation must balance productivity gains with worker privacy and employment security concerns, ensuring a responsible approach to technological advancement. By 2023-2024, video analytics will be standard in premium manufacturing. From 2025-2027, integrating predictive maintenance and supply chain systems will enhance factory intelligence. By 2028-2030, human-machine collaboration will advance with augmented reality guidance, using platforms like Drishti, revolutionizing operational efficiency. We hope this case study provided valuable insights into how AI and vision analytics are transforming manufacturing. For further inquiries, contact us at support@skilledmba.com or visit our website. Thank you for joining Skilled MBA.